my name is Kayleighann and I will be au pairing very soon to the Netherlands. I got a pre-departure gift from Cap that we will be opening together and I'm so excited. I didn't even expect this. So yeah, very thoughtful. And let's see, so we have a little bag that says keep calm and au pair. Very cute with the Cap logo as well. And when we open it up, inside we have another bag. This is cool though. This is a cool bag with the Cap logo, and you can, honestly, I think you would use this for toiletries, for traveling, anything. And then I noticed that it has this brand. To my knowledge, this is a very good brand. So not only is Cap making us feel special, but they're giving us good quality as well. And then inside we have this little case. I think this is cool. You can also use it for whatever. So they're giving us very helpful things. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have this little note. Oh, it's handwritten as well. How thoughtful. It says, Dear Kayleighann, safe travels and good luck on your journey. We are so proud of you. Love, Cap. Oh, I love you, Cap. Thank you. I think this is so cool and it makes me feel like I picked the right agency. It's so thoughtful. And yeah, I love it. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay, so we have this small little luggage. It looks like a little luggage suitcase thing for your luggage to write your name so your luggage doesn't get lost. Again with the Cap logo, very cute. And then we have, oh, this looks like a mirror. Yeah, this is a mirror. It's blue, it's cute with the Cap logo as well. I think as a girl, this is always needed, but not only that, you can put it anywhere because it's so small, it's so thin, and yeah. And then we also have some lip balm. I always need lip balm wherever I'm going, so thank you, Cap, for this addition to my lip balm family. And again, wherever you go, I think you always need some lip balm. And then we have a cute little pen. I always love new stationery, so thank you so much for that again, Cap. My stationery gets lost super fast, so thank you. I can always do with an extra pin. And then last but not least, we have some wet wipes. These are always helpful, so essential when you're traveling, to wipe down any surfaces if there's any germs, to wipe your hands, to keep fresh and clean. And then not only that, but when you are an au pair as well, right, you deal with kids can mess themselves, mess anywhere else, so it's good to have these on deck. So thank you so much, Cap. Oh, and then this also has the logo on it, so cute. But yeah, thank you so much, Cap. I'm so excited. This actually was so thoughtful and it made me feel like this is so real, and it makes me feel like Cap is with me along the way. I really didn't expect the pre-departure gift, but I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, and I'm so excited.